Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the tool and workspace. Put on eye protection, dust mask, and hearing protection so you can focus. Fit a 120 grit sanding pad and engage the clamp. This grit balances material removal and surface control. Once done, secure the workpiece with clamps and orient the grain. Turn the sander on and hold it lightly against the surface to feel vibration. This tells you the tool is working properly. Make minor passes along the marked path to establish a consistent starting finish. You now focus on controlled removal. Apply light, steady pressure, and let the warrior palm's orbital action cut evenly. Pressing hard only burns or oversands. Move in overlapping passes following the wood grain. This avoids swirl marks and blends edges. Every few passes, lift the sander and inspect progress so you don't remove too much material. Once the surface is even, change to 220 grit and repeat to refine the texture. Make sure to clear dust with a brush or vacuum before changing grits. You finish by making one final, very light pass to equalize sheen, then vacuum and wipe with a tack cloth to remove residual dust before finishing. If you find gouges or low spots, fill shallow defects with wood filler, let it dry, and carefully resand with 220 or 320 grit to match the surrounding surface. If the sander leaves uneven patterns, check the pad and backing plate for wear or debris, and replace the abrasive. This usually fixes vibration or tracking issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.